Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of Attention Grabbing Media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
So I'm going to introduce you to the AGM Wisdom Center. We're just getting started with it. So I want to roll that out to you guys so you can start utilizing it already, because I believe it's going to help us create a unified mind and a unified source, and for us to be able to operate in the same way. So I have Mike over here. I call him Mike. He is our personal assistant on artificial intelligence, and that is his official name now. I want to go over what this can do for you right now and how we can use it right now, because it needs to get implemented. Using this tool at AGM is not going to be optional. It's something that I wanted to be a part of the culture. So let's get started, all right? I have a couple questions that I want to ask you to start with, all right? So first of all, why don't you tell me what the Attention Grabbing Media core values are? I want to know those.
Here are the Attention Grabbing Media AGM core values. 1, be a professional. Everything we do should be done professionally, with no tolerance for sloppy work or laziness. We strive to deliver our best in every action, product, or task. 2, never stop learning. Continuous learning is crucial for both.
Okay, that's awesome. Mike, can you explain what is Attention Grabbing Media's policy on handling upset clients?
AGM's policy for handling upset clients emphasizes the importance of live communication to resolve issues and prevent the need for refunds. If a client is dissatisfied, the following steps are recommended. 1, attempt to resolve issues directly. Engage in live communication with the upset client to address their concerns. 2, process refunds when necessary. If the client remains unhappy and requests a refund.
Okay, I'm going to study that policy. Can you please put it here in the chat? Give me the PDF that I can download.
You can download the AGM policy on handling upset clients PDF here.
Okay, so I got the policy. All right, so now let's say that you have an employee or a fellow coworker that is having a tough time dealing with upset clients. You go and you ask it a question, you get the exact policy, and now you click on the policy, you open it, and then you take the policy and you forward it. You go ahead and you open up an email, and now you have the policy here on PDF format. That's the valuable thing that you can do, right? Let's keep going with the conversation. That's one thing that I want you guys to utilize this for. I'm going to go back here to my chat. By the way, this same exact thing that I'm doing on my phone right now, it is fully applicable on the computer, okay? Now, you can't talk to it in the same way. This is more like meant for this. But now, Latin American people, staff members, that their first language is Spanish maybe. Well, how about if we do this? Mike, can you please translate the entire policy on upset clients and put it here in the chat in Spanish for me?
Claro, aquí tienes la política completa sobre cómo manejar a clientes molestos traducida al español.
So now I have the entire policy in Spanish right here, okay? The whole thing is Spanish. I can apply it also in any other single language. So that's procedures and company policies that you have access to right now with this. Here's where things get also mind-bending here. The service team. Before you start executing on a marketing strategy, this is what I want you to do. Mike, so I have a new client. His name is Cummins Worldwide, and he is an expert on the subject of financial services, and he wants to focus on finding qualified prospects. His ideal audience is high net worth individuals that he can help them organize their finances, and his purpose is to put these individuals in a very good position and in control of their finances. What will Manuel do if I actually wanted to market for them? Please tell me exactly, based on all of Manuel's content, Manuel's books, Manuel's YouTube videos, please suggest a strategy for Cummins Worldwide that I can execute. To develop a comprehensive marketing strategy for Cummins Worldwide, leveraging Manuel Suarez methodologies, here's a step-by-step approach you can execute. Identify the superpower, content creation strategy, primary content, I just made a whole episode on this, blog posts, videos, etc., omni-channel presence, YouTube, social media, podcasts, engagement and community building, webinars, email marketing. I'm telling you 100% on point with my philosophy. Advertising strategy, paid ads, utilize Facebook and LinkedIn ads targeting high net worth individuals. Create lookalike audiences based on existing clients. Accurate, right? Add content, promote free resources like ebooks, webinars, or free initial consultation to attract prospects. Okay, lead generation and conversion, SEO and content optimization, analytics and improvement, execution example. Week 1, launch the YouTube channel and start with an introductory video explaining the benefits of financial planning for high net worth individuals. Week 2, publish a blog post on the importance of estate planning and share it on LinkedIn and Facebook. Week 3, host a webinar on tax optimization strategies and promote it through email marketing and social ads. Week 4, launch a Facebook ad campaign offering a free financial consultation to attract new leads. 100%, right? By following these steps, companies worldwide can effectively attract and engage high net worth individuals, positioning themselves as a trusted authority in the financial services industry. Okay, got it. How do I turn this into something practical? Well, this is the following. Okay, this is great. Can you help me come up with a checklist of things that I need to do? And I want you to add next to every checklist step a blank that I can initial that the step is being done, and also do it on a day by day, every single action that I need to get done. So look at the individual steps that need to be done for every single one of the things that you recommended per week, and give me a whole action plan day by day that I need to execute on.
Sure, here's a detailed day-by-day checklist for executing the marketing strategy for Cummins Worldwide. Each step includes a blank space for initials to confirm completion.
Okay, great. Let's watch that. Let's see what it did. All right, so I got it over here, okay? Day by day, exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, so let's see. Day 1, set up your YouTube channel, blah, 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 blah. Day 2, plan and script. Day 3, record the intro to the video. Okay, good. So turn it into a Word doc, please. Why do I want a Word doc with this? Because I want to be able to open it up in Word and adjust it and customize it and edit it and whatever. Because if I do that, then I'm able to get it all fully branded and fun. By the way, you could potentially add the logo of AGM and just put it in there, and just like that is going to be branded. But let's see what it does with the Word document, and let's see if it actually produces a Word document that we can use right away. Okay, so again, it's taking a very long time. Right now, it's about 15, 20 seconds. It's analyzing the whole thing. It's right here, okay? I'm gonna click on this one over here. Check it out. This is how we're gonna take our services and go to a whole different level. This is how we're gonna take things to a whole different level of professionalism and practicality. And it's gonna be one unified mind. So just like that, I got a whole Word document with the step-by-step steps to do. If I wanna send it to Word so I can finish it, I can go over here and do that and send it to Word, or I can email it to myself. I go ahead and grab that document and email it to myself. Again, the same exact thing, Word document, is applicable on the computer. I can ask for the Word docs over here. I'm actually in the desktop app. I don't have to talk to Mike. I can do it all through chat over here.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.